My name is Phoenix and I'm going to do my first tutorial. Bit nervous, so I just want to do my first tutorial on a fake bun which I use for work every day because I'm not allowed to have different hair colour, which is great. So what I do is I purchased this on AlieExpress for a couple of euro. I'll link it at the bottom of the description when I'm finished. So this was €8-9, maybe even less. You can get it for cheaper if you search. It comes with a net. I'm not sure if you can see that. A net, and then there were a couple of clips that I ended up cutting out because they kept setting off the alarm at security. And what I did was I just stuck in a bobby pin underneath on the very top part, so that when that goes over my bun, I'll explain to you in a second. So what I did is tie my hair in a ponytail and just wrap it around, twist, and just keep it up. With my hairpiece, I'll put that over my bun and then I will slide the bobby pin on top part so that stays in there. And underneath, I'll pull tight. There's a drawstring there, so I'll pull it tight and it'll wrap around my bun underneath. Tuck that in underneath. So to secure the ends in, you'll need 2 long pins, strong ones, especially strong ones. So I have 2 of these. One on either side. And then you can actually give that a brush if it's not smoothened out there. And then these, you need 4 of these, or whatever many you want, but I use 4, minimum the better. I just took the sides in so it doesn't show anything underneath. And that's my quick bun to hide my balayage ends. What do you think, guys? I get so many compliments about this, especially cabin crew. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. See ya, bye.